The 2025 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 diesel in dark blue is a striking evolution of Hyundai's best-selling SUV, blending bold design with refined aerodynamics, standing out in this ASMR Pov drive with its sculpted body and aggressive stance. The Tucson commands attention on the road, its dark blue paint shimmering under different lighting conditions, emphasizing the sharp character lines that run across the body. At the front, Hyundai's signature parametric jewel grille seamlessly integrates with the LED daytime running lights, creating a futuristic and dynamic presence. The grille's geometric pattern enhances airflow, improving aerodynamics while maintaining a bold visual identity. The main headlights, positioned lower on the bumper, give the Tucson a confident and imposing front-end design. The wide stance and muscular hood add to its commanding road presence, making it instantly recognizable moving along the side profile. The Tucson's sharp creases and sculpted bodywork reflect Hyundai's sensuous sportiness design philosophy. The high beltline and sloping roof create a sporty silhouette, complemented by blacked-out B-pillars and chrome window trim. The flared wheel arches house stylish 19-inch alloy wheels, designed with a machine-cut finish for a premium and modern look. The aerodynamic side mirrors, featuring integrated turn signals, contribute to a sleek profile, while the subtle side skirts add a hint of ruggedness. At the rear, the Tucson continues its futuristic design with a full-width LED taillight bar, echoing the parametric theme seen in the front grille. The unique segmented lighting pattern enhances visibility and modernity. The rear bumper incorporates a skid plate, reinforcing its SUV capabilities, while the roof-mounted spoiler and shark fin antenna enhance aerodynamics. Hyundai has cleverly hidden the rear wiper under the spoiler, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. Under the hood, the 2025 Tucson 2.0 diesel delivers a balance of power and efficiency. The diesel engine ensures strong torque output, making highway cruising and off-road adventures smooth and effortless. Hyundai's advanced SmartStream technology optimizes fuel efficiency, reducing emissions without compromising performance. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Tucson offers seamless gear shifts and a refined driving experience. The Tucson's suspension system is finely tuned to provide comfort and stability, with an independent multi-link setup at the rear, ensuring a composed ride over various terrains. The chassis is constructed using Hyundai's latest high-strength steel, improving structural integrity while keeping weight in check. This enhances safety and driving dynamics, giving the Tucson a planted feel on the road. Advanced features include a hands-free smart power tailgate, allowing effortless access to the cargo area. Roof rails add practicality, enabling additional storage for long trips. Hyundai's signature hidden rear wiper and flush door handles further elevate the Tucson's premium feel. Every detail on the exterior is designed for both aesthetics and functionality. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 diesel in dark blue embodies a perfect fusion of futuristic styling, robust performance, and intelligent engineering. Its bold presence, aerodynamic profile, and cutting-edge features make it a standout in the competitive SUV segment. Whether cruising through the city or tackling rugged terrain, the Tucson delivers a visually striking and capable driving experience, making every journey an event in itself.